building apps have become cooler now. So from an idea to a product in 4 days, I built an online ordering system. So what did I use? I used anti-gravity and Stitch for UI UX. So what did I build? A backend system with security, a payment gateway, and 3 different personas for the app. So one is the one which you're seeing is the customer is making a payment and he's ordering through the app. The next one is you would be seeing the functionality of a store owner who logs in as a store owner, and he starts seeing all the details of the store, from an revenue, from an ad campaign, and then you have consolidated reporting. Then you see the list of stores that is associated with him, all these informations. Apart from this, right, so he can push ad from the store itself, and he can manage his own payments. So these are all completely functionable thing, and he can even edit his store informations. Say a store owner has multiple stores, okay. Now if he has to go and create menus, right, he has a lot of categories under his stores. So the problem is like he has to create it for all the stores. So what I did is like I asked that once you create one store, then replicate the same menu into different stores. So you can just simple by one click, it will just replicate it across. Delivery control system, so the radius of the delivery and all this, he can turn off and turn on the stores at what time he wants to have. It's completely integrated with WhatsApp. Through WhatsApp they can make an order which will be available here. The revenues are completely calculated differently. So all these are done completely. I did not even write much of the code. It was completely by the AI. Only 10% of the code I wrote because I was correcting things which AI had made mistakes. But apart from the overall system perspective, it did a wonderful job in creating this entire thing. So that's all. One thing I would tell is like you work with anti-gravity. You give the idea, it gives you a plan, like high-level design, a low-level design, and implementation plan. You can correct the implementation plan, and then as a developer, you just review that plan and tell to go ahead and start the implementation. If you have an idea and you just have a thought process how to be built, you can just build it. So future of development is not about writing code, it's about thinking clearly and letting the AI handle the entire execution. That's how things are going to change.